Christoph, come.
Well, here we are at Timberline Lodge. We're going to take a tour of the inside of the place. Beautiful place, built in was dedicated in 1938 by Roosevelt, Franklin D. and Eleanor Roosevelt. All the products and the stones and all the material was taken right off the site. They made 90 cents an hour for working here. Really a neat place. Great stonework and architect structure.
Well, we're going to have to go upstairs and check the rest of this place out. Look at the stone structure of this place. Unreal. I guess it was built back in the 30s. Look at that. Looks like medieval. Medieval? I guess that's the way you pronounce it. Medieval. How about that? Well, here we are coming into the lodge at Timberline in Oregon.
Notice all the structure around here, and this is a guide here. We took a guide tour, which we will show you a little bit later as we go through here. But notice the stonework. Again, all the stone came from off of the property. All the timbers and all came. There was a great blizzard when they were building this. And there's your front desk if you want to register to stay overnight.
They have fireplaces on both sides, but this one's not lit. I don't know if you can see it or not, but look at that sculpture there of the railing.
Look at that pretty lady. And all this gorgeous wood. This was all cut down right off of the property, hauled in here. Absolutely gorgeous.
Wow, look at this. That was a big tree made that. Here's a shot of that chimney again. That's one heck of a chimney going down to this fireplace. One on the other side also. And this went, I'm sure, straight below to that other one we saw on the first level. Again, it looks like they have this set up for a wedding. So I'm going to skedaddle out of here. Good guess, it's going to be a wedding. What do you think? How you like them skis?
Boy, this place is just full of memorabilia. All the past great skiers. I don't see my name there.
It's a little room where they have a movie, I guess, with the history of Timberline, which I'm going to watch here in a minute.
Here's a room that Franklin Roosevelt and Eleanor stayed in, and a special chair for him.
And that's the chair that was designed for him with arms on it to help him stand.
And here's a really neat picture as you come in the door. It has a lot of significance to it, but I'm not going to tell you what it is. You'll have to come and see it yourself. Just in case you get lost, here's the directory. And here they have ranger tours. Since this property is run by the federal government, they do have ranger tours. We decided to take one. Free tour, took you through the whole building and showed you a lot of history on the place. There's that fireplace, about 12 foot square, goes up for 3 stories and right out the roof.
We are in the Cascade dining room now having a lunch. It's a buffet, about $25 a piece, but really good food. And Jean got a hot chocolate with a straw. Well, it was really pretty when it first came.
Don't you love it when people show you a video of the food, especially if it's a really good buffet? Lots of good food. There's only one thing worse than that. And that's showing you the desserts and how delicious they are.
Here's a shot of Timberline Lodge, Memorial Day weekend, Saturday, and it is snowing.
Well, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the tour of the Timberline Lodge. Great place to visit if you're in the area. Well, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell next to it so you don't miss any of the episodes.